Welcome back. Building on some more for the markets. 82.72 on the Nifty, virtually at the high point of the day. Mid-cap still gaining ground. Currently higher by close to about 1.2%. But the stock, which is on our radar, is Talwalkar Fitness. Stock is up close to about 4.5%. Sumera, we may not have statistics, but I'm sure more than 50% of India's population on New Year's will make a resolution. But yes, we're going to be more fit. Yes, we'll probably join a gym. And that's where Talwalkar Fitness comes in, which perhaps is also why
I'm going to be one of those 50%.
I'm not going to ask you a follow-up question. Do you follow up with your resolution and actually execute it?
We'll see in a few days.
Okay, but so let's invite Anand Gawande, the CFO of the company. He joins in to talk about the trends for next year. Hi Anand, thanks so much for joining in. 2014 was a good year for the company. 2015 holds out, a lot of promise. It's looking very promising right now. Give us a few numbers. How will the next year look for the company? How much better is it going to be compared to, 2014? In numbers, if you could help us.
Thank you, Rima and Sumera. First, let me wish the viewers early New Year, and hope they have a healthy and happy New Year ahead of them, full of exercise. Coming to the third and fourth quarter first. The third quarter has been nice. It is not a great quarter because of Diwali, New Year. As we speak, readers are not about to come viewers are not going to come to my gym for gymming right now. They'll be more celebrating New Year and Christmas. Fourth quarter is going to be a good quarter, is our own take. There is a lot of feel-good factor in the people who come in. They discuss a lot of positive things. We have embarked on a big gym expansion plan, and lots of the properties, almost 8 or 9 properties, have already been locked out by us. So we hope that the next couple of quarters we open out at least 20 gyms on an overall basis. This sets the platform for 2016. So what will happen is early 2015 we will have these gyms running. So let's say by June, July, whatever it is, which gives us almost about 8-9 months of the next year to try and get revenues out of them, which should be a good base to start with. If that pans out the way it should and the economy stays on course, I think 2016 could be a good year for us. We continue to believe that it's a company which should grow steadily and strongly. So I think the future augurs well for us.
So that's good actually, because you're planning your expansion now. In Q2 you were looking at consolidating, same-store sales.
That is right.
How has that panned out for you? What's the kind of SSS growth that you're seeing?
See, we saw SSS growth of close to about 10%. Based on that growth, we are now placed fresh orders for our diet plan new form. And as we speak, those orders have got processed, and we believe in the next couple of months, almost 30 to 35 gyms will be enabled with the new form plan of diet. Because new form and reduce are two parts of the same idea, now we can give transform, which is both machine based and food based diet, in about 25-30 gyms by the fourth quarter of the current year. Okay. Going ahead, we should go take new form ahead from there and see what we can do.
Okay, so you've indicated that I think there would be 25-30 gyms that you will add at least till the end of this fiscal year. What about for FY16? Has the company outlined its capex in terms of spend as well as the new gym additions?
Rima, I think this year we should do a capex of about around 85 crore is our own estimate and our own target. We would not like to exceed that. More importantly for next year, based on a similar expansion and a similar rupee, because part of our expenditure is through a dollar term expenditure, we should maintain an expenditure of about 85 crore, which should allow us to do another 20-25 gyms for the next year. We are anyway targeted that over the next 3 to 4 years we will do about 100 gyms. This will be in a calibrated manner. We'll check each market. Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai are on our radar right now, but we'll check all the other markets too.
Okay. What about your margins? Is there more headroom for you guys from here? I mean, you're already, I think in Q2 you were at 54 plus. How much higher can it be?
One is, Sumera, Q2 is a aberration quarter. Okay. It always gives you a higher margin than justified because expenditure remains flat. On an overall basis, I think this year margin will be about 180 basis point better than last year. I think if new form, which we are installing in gyms now, as well as Reduce, which is already in gyms, can give us better and better customer base, there is some headroom for margins. We already stated that value addition should go from 22 to 23% to about 35 to 40% in the next 3 to 4 years. The reason behind that is to give us more margins. The reason behind that is to give us more per square feet revenue. So that's where we come from.
Okay. When we had spoken to you last time, you said that the company is likely to beat its FY15 profit forecast of 20%. Already in the first half of the year, you've clocked in a profit growth of 30%, and Q4 will be a good quarter. So tell us realistically, will FY15 profit, the jump in net profits be closer to 25% or in excess of that?
Let me put it the other way, Rima. It is always nice to give a guidance which we are able to outperform. I'm happy that right now we are ahead of that guidance.
By how much?
I think right now we are about 6 to 7% ahead of that guidance.
Okay.
So if I take into account that, then we are growing at about 25 to 26%. We have no reason to believe that that momentum should not be lost right now. And if that continues, we may be on the mark, but we'll continue to be conservative giving guidance and try to outperform it.
What's the update on your club business? I believe you're almost ready to launch a club in Pune.
That's right. Actually, about 4 weeks back, Scott Lloyd, who's the CEO of David Lloyd, as well as one of their directors of the PE fund, were both in India, and they checked out the property. We finalized, and we had already finalized the deal. We legally closed the deal within a week of that, which was announced for all the statutory purposes which had to be done. Our plan, which is a club plan, is entirely ready actually. So we plan to get work going immediately, starting the first week of Jan, and we hope to collect revenue from the club by the 3rd to 4th quarter of next year. We think it will be a state-of-the-art club and will probably be the best of its kind in Pune.
Okay. Is this the first of its kind for the company?
It is.
Okay, so what would the margins for this particular model be? These are your traditional margins?
The club model is a different model, Rima. It takes long-term membership, which people tend to call life membership pattern. We will obviously amortize the income over a period of time so that we do not show it as a bunched up income. More importantly, what will happen is the life membership pattern revenue covers our capex within the first 24 months. Which means after that, the club which we have will increasingly show a higher ROC than what we would traditionally do in the gymming business.
But in the first 2 years, will it result in some margin compression?
It won't actually, because we are expecting about 300 to 500 life members every year.
Okay.
If that is true, and if we can really deliver on that, I don't see a problem on margins at all.
Okay.
Okay, and just to wrap up, then you had a very successful annual August discount. Why? How come there's nothing for all those people who'll be making New Year resolutions?
There's a big scheme coming up. You will be seeing it for all of you.
So you're not
You will see that, and you will also see a lot of people making a resolution that they want to be fit and fine, which is why I said a healthy and happy New Year.
But aren't you sharing any details of that?
Actually, what has happened is we launched a short-term scheme.
Okay.
We figured out that people like to come after 31st for at least a short duration of time. If they get addicted to that kind of fitness regime, then they would like to go ahead from there. So you will see that scheme being launched now in the next 4 or 5 days.
We'll wait for that. One word answer. What's the company's market share right now? The last update we had was 12.4%.
It's about 16-17% of the organized market.
Of the organized market.
That's right. Thank you so much, both,
Thank
and have a
you
new
so
year.
much.
Happy New Year.
And we wish you a very good New Year as well. We hope to see you, of course, in 2015. The stock has also moved higher, so if you see now, it's up nearly 7%. Remember, if you've missed any part of this conversation, you can always log on to youtube.com/CNBC-TV18 and catch the rest there. Quick break. When we return, we'll be joined by another big corporate. We'll touch base with Himanshu Kapani.